name is Bibi. I'm the founder of Fell Law in San Diego, and I represent injured people. As a trial lawyer, I feel an incredible responsibility to my clients because they get one shot, right? They get one shot to tell their story, to express how drastically their life has changed because of some major event that's probably the worst thing that will ever happen to them in their lives. I represent a lot of clients who have either suffered a terrible injury, or their loved one has, or they've lost somebody very special to them. And so when they come to me, it's at the lowest point. And so these people, after a major injury or losing a loved one, put their trust and their faith in me to be their mouthpiece, to tell their story. And if I do that well, it can be life-changing. It's so important to keep investing time in learning, and coming to a conference like this, like Trial Lawyers University, is a great opportunity to learn from other people around the country who have honed their craft and their skill in a way that's different from me. It's important to continue to expose yourself to these different styles, different ideas, new ways of arguing some of the same injuries that we've known for a long time, so that we can continue to build more tools in our tool belt, so we can pull the right ones out at the right time for the right client. I take my responsibility to my client very seriously, and I recognize that each client has their own story, their own individual pain, suffering, and then story of hope and recovery, hopefully at the end of the case. So we try to convey the entirety of the story and ask the jury to help them find that resolution, help them to come out the other side stronger. And there's something transformative that happens in a closing argument. My client will be in the courtroom, and for the first time, I'm laying them bare, talking about who they are, talking about the dignity that they've lost, talking about all that they need to get that dignity back, to start their life over again. When a client comes to me with the most important event in their life, it's important to me that everybody at my firm, from the bottom up to the top, treat that as the most important event in the client's life. Not just another case, not just another deadline, but something really meaningful. I love being a trial lawyer. There is nothing else in the world that I would rather do.